Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Minky and this is the Glam Guide. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below so that you guys can join the Glammy gang and that you don't miss out on any of the action. Guys, I wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I hope Christmas for you was everything that you envisioned and more. I know it's been such a rough year, but I really hope that you enjoyed the day regardless. So today I am coming to you with a little bit of a what I got for Christmas. This is a video that I have never made on my channel because normally I don't actually upload videos during December, but hey ho, we're here now. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Christmas. This is really nothing extravagant or anything like that, but I am so grateful that people took the time out of their day to get me something for Christmas and, you know, they thought of me. It means a lot to me. People don't have to get you gifts, but it's nice if someone gets you a gift and they thought of me. So this is going to be a very quick video. I didn't get a lot, but the stuff that I did get was really beautiful and I wanted to share it with you guys. So without any further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. First thing that I got were phone cases. Okay, these are so necessary in my life, let me tell you. So the first one is just like a normal clear case, and the second one is in my signature color pink. You guys know that pink is my favorite color. Well, one of my favorite colors. My favorite colors are pink, black, and white, if anyone cares. But so this one is in pink. And I really like it because it's one of these that has a ring on it. If I can just get it up. It's got a ring, so you can actually like move the ring around and then, you know, hold your phone comfortably. And then also when your phone is in it, you can actually like put it down and then the phone like sits up, if that makes sense. So I'm really happy that I got this, and I need to actually show you guys my current phone cover. Okay, let me tell you. I got this cover at the beginning of the year. So when I went to go buy my phone, I bought the cover as well. So I bought everything at the same time in the store, okay? This was clear. I don't know if you guys can make that out, but my phone is yellow, right? You would swear that it was yellow. It's not, it's white. The cover literally went yellow within the first few months. I don't know if your guys' covers do that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not clear. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. Like this one is a lot more yellow than this. And it was a clear case, but as time goes on, it just goes yellow. So I'm really glad that I have a new case. Let me actually put this new one on. That looks better. Hey, that looks so much better. For me, it's so weird because phone cases are something that I would never really think to buy for myself. I don't know. It just, even though it annoys me, it's just not on the top of my priority list. I don't know. Anyways, next item I got was from Burberry. And the packaging of this was so beautiful. And this is something that I've really wanted for a long time because I love it. The Burberry Her perfume, and I got mine in the 50 ml. So if I open it, this is what it looks like. And this perfume smells amazing. This is actually a dupe of Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Francis Courtejan. Guys, this perfume smells expensive, it smells rich, it smells amazing, and it is one that is slept on. I promise you, you want to try this. This was also made by Francis Courtejan. So the perfumer that actually made Baccarat Rouge also made this perfume. And he's probably one of my favorite perfumers because I'm a fan of his work, girl. Anyways, so I would say this has about a 70 to 80% similarity to Baccarat Rouge, but the only thing is that this one is a lot sweeter. I find this one a lot sweeter than the Baccarat Rouge, which works beautifully with my own personal skin chemistry. So for me personally, I prefer this one over the Baccarat Rouge. If I want to get the Baccarat Rouge, maybe I'll change my mind and I'll get it at a later stage. But I love the intensity that the Baccarat Rouge has, and I love the sweetness of this, and the fact that they are combined is amazing. So this is definitely what I prefer. I know I'm going to run through this bottle. I know it. This is a 50 ml. And I'm probably going to get 100 ml backup just to have, because I already know, guys. I already know. Okay, so Swarovski. This is the thing, guys. Okay, I recently did a massive declutter of my jewelry collection. So in my jewelry collection right now, I have 80% like really great quality jewelry. And so I've made it my mission that when I start collecting jewelry, I really want my jewelry to be the highest quality. I am really not the type of person to spend a lot of money on costume jewelry. So I wouldn't really buy, I'm not really the type of person that would buy like Gucci earrings or Chanel earrings, if that makes sense. I know that those are classics, and maybe in time I'll change my mind, but I feel like they're too expensive for what they are. Swarovski jewelry, on the other hand, for me is really great. Is a really great alternative for costume jewelry. This jewelry that will last forever. I have a Swarovski piece in my collection that I have had for about, I was still in high school, over 10 years. And that piece of jewelry is still in pristine condition. So Swarovski jewelry is jewelry that I genuinely trust. And it's nice to buy the pieces. There's another pair of earrings that I'm thinking of getting. They cost about 3,000 Rand. There's another pair of earrings that I'm thinking of getting from them. They are around the 3,000 Rand price point, but it's for costume jewelry, they're like a statement piece, and I would rather buy a statement piece for around the 3,000 Rand mark than buy a statement piece from, you know, like a designer brand that is not even the best quality, if that makes sense. So the first piece that I got from them was this necklace right here. So the first piece from Swarovski that I have is this necklace right here, and what's really cool about it is that you can wear it at different lengths. So this is probably a necklace that I'll wear choker style, so quite close to my neck, and then you can actually have it with all the crystals like facing this way, or you can turn it around and then you can have the shell detailing with the Swarovski crystals. So everything that you see, all the blingage that you see here, is all Swarovski crystal, and it is, I think she said it's 18 karat plated gold. It could be more, but I think that's what she said. Don't quote me, but I think it was about 18 karat plated gold, which is really, really good. And the second piece that I got from Swarovski were these earrings, and I love these. These are beautiful. They are again 18 karat white gold plated, I believe, and they are Swarovski crystals. They just have the, you know, they're drop earrings, and I just think that they're so beautiful. They're really, really understated. And what's really cool is that if I want a more casual look, I can actually remove this bottom piece and then just wear them as huggies. But if I want the whole shebang, then it's a completely different look, which is really value for money. So these two pieces of jewelry I'm definitely going to cherish. I really love jewelry. I love beautiful jewelry. And as I said, I've made it a point that I'm going to start collecting really beautiful quality pieces. Not everyone has the same experience when it comes to brands and stuff, but for me, I really believe, and I really find via my own experience, that Swarovski really has some amazing, amazing quality pieces at a good price. And lastly, we are going to get into some exciting items from Coach. Now, one of these items I bought myself, and the other item from Coach was gifted to me by the Coach team. And I am so grateful. I was so emotional, guys, the day that they gifted me this, because I literally just didn't even know what to do with myself. You guys know I've been a fan of Coach for many years. I have quite a few items from the brand before I even started working with them. So I'm really excited. So the first item that I got is this baby right here. And I got this to complement the gift that Coach gave me. Okay, so we're just going to open it up. It comes in a box like this with the sticker, and we're just going to open that up like that, and that's what that looks like. And I'm just going to take it out. So pretty. And ta-da! I got this really cute card holder from Coach. This piece is in canvas, and then right here it's got leather. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots, and then you can open it up, and then you can keep, you know, cash or more cards or whatever you want in here. I wanted something that was thinner and something that was flatter that would fit into my smaller handbags, and Coach has fantastic quality, guys. It's a really beautiful introduction into luxury. It's a mid-range brand, but it's a really great introduction into really good quality, high fashion pieces. So on the inside, it's got this beautiful burgundy color, and you know me, I love a good burgundy. And yeah, I just think it's really great. It's really beautiful, really compact, and very well made. I mean, everything, when I look at it, everything down to the stitching, it's like it is absolute perfection. So this is what I got, and as I said, it is to complement the bigger gift that I got, which I am going to show you guys right now. Guys, let me tell you, okay, when I got this bag, I literally didn't even know how to act. This is beautiful. So this is the Coach Beat bag, and it is part of the Coach and J.Lo collaboration. You can wear this bag in 3 different ways. So you can wear it with the chain only, you can wear it as a top handle with this leather handle, or you could wear it as a crossbody. But I really love this bag, guys. It is, guys, this bag is everything. I really love the canvas material. It's got the CCs at the top, and then it's got the carriages at the bottom, if you guys can see that. Then when you open it, it's got beautiful burgundy suede on the inside, and then that's pretty much what it looks like. It's got 2 compartments, a slip pocket at the back, and then it's got a zipped compartment in the middle. I know that this comes in a range of colors and materials, leathers, I believe. So I am happy to do a full review of this bag, including a what's in my bag, so that I can give you guys all of the specs of this bag if that's what you want to see. And then last but not least, I got my initials monogrammed with a little tiara. So I think that that's a really beautiful touch. I believe that you can get tags monogrammed at Coach free of charge. I could be wrong, but I think that if you buy something, then they monogram it for you free of charge. So, oh, and it's also got a slip pocket at the back right here. So I mean, tons of space. It is a beautiful bag. I cannot wait to wear it. I've been dying to wear it, guys, but I've been waiting to do this reveal to just like show you guys and sort of like chat you through it. Just everything. I mean, there's nothing out of place. Everything is perfect. I'm looking at this bag and everything about it is absolutely perfect. As I said, even down to the stitching, like there is nothing out of place. So definitely check it out if you do go to a Coach store. Thank you so much to my Coach family for such a beautiful gift. Everything in here was just really thoughtful. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I cannot wait to wear this bag. As I said, I will do a full review of this bag, including what it can fit and how I style it. And yeah, guys, that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what else you guys would like to see. I really want to know what you guys got for Christmas. I want to know what you guys got for Christmas. I want to know what you guys did on Christmas Day, how you celebrated the weekend, and all that other good stuff. I love you guys all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.